Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 13, exponents and powers, we have completed question 1 to question 4 of exercise 13.1 in previous class. Into question 5. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. First, 648. To represent this number as the product of powers of their prime factors, first we have to find out its prime factorization. First prime number is 2. This is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. This is again even number divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Again this is even number divided by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now this is odd number. 8 plus 1 is 9. And the next prime number is 3. This is divisible by 3, divided by 3. 3 27s are 81. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Here we get prime factorization. So prime factorization of 648 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here the prime factor 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can write it as 2 cube into this prime factor 3. Here it's repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4. Second, 405. First find out the prime factorization of 405. The smallest prime number is 2, but this is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Divided. 3 1s are 3, 10. 3 3s are 9, 15. 3 5s are 15. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. Again it is divisible by 3. Divided by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 15. 3 5s are 15. 45 is divisible by 3. 3 15s are 45. 15 is again divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. And now 5 is not divisible by 3. Next prime number is 5. So divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. The prime factorization of 405 we get here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. But we have to write this prime factorization as the product of powers of their prime factors. So here we have to write this multiplication in the exponential form. In this multiplication, prime factor 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4 and 5 is 1 time. Third, 540. To express 540 as the product of powers of its prime factors, first we have to find out its prime factorization. Here we get its prime factorization. But we have to write it as the powers of prime factors. So we have to write it in exponential notation. Here the prime factor 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. So we can write as 2 square into prime factor 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can write it as 3 cube and 5 is 1 time. Fourth, 3600. Find out its prime factorization and write it in the exponential notation. In this prime factorization, prime factor 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 4 into prime factor 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. So it is 3 square into again factor prime factor 5 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. So we can write it as 5 square. Question 6. Simplify. That means we have to find out values here. First, 2 into 10 cube. 2 into 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000. Second, 7 square. 7 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. and again 2 square means 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. 7 sevens are 49, 2 twos are 4. Multiply it. 9 fours are 36, 3 carried. 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 19, 196. Third, 2 cube. 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times and 1 time 5. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40. Fourth, 3 into 4 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. 4 into 4, 16. 16 fours are 64 and 64 fours are, we get 256 and here 1 time 3. Multiply it. 3 6 are 18, 1 carried. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, 1 carried. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 768. 0 into 10 square. Any number multiplied by 0, we get answer 0. Sixth, 5 square means 5 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. Into 3 cube means 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. 5 5s are 25. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Multiply. 25 7s are 175. 17 carried. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 17, 67. 675. Seventh, 2 to the power 4. 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. And 3 square. 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times. This is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Into 3 3s are 9. And 16 9s are 144. 8th, 3 square means 3 into 3. And 10 raised to the power 4 means 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 4 times. This is 10,000 and 3 3s are 9. 10,000 into 9, 90,000. Question 7. Simplify. Again here we have to find out the value. First, minus 4 raised to the power 3. Here the base minus 4 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. In this product, negative sign is 3 times. So, product is negative. And 4 into 4 is 16. 16 4s are 64. Minus 64. Second, minus 3 into minus 2 raised to the power 3. Minus 2 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. In this product, minus sign is 4 times. So, product is positive. Opposite of opposite is positive. Again, negative of negative is positive. Now, multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Third, minus 3 square. Minus 3 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 2 times into minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5. In this multiplication also there are 4 negative signs. Even number of negative signs. So product is positive. Multiply. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75 and 75 3s are 225. Fourth, minus 2 cube. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 10 cube. Minus 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. In this product, minus sign is 6 times. So, product is positive. Minus sign is even number of times. Product is positive. Now, multiply. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. 1000 eights. 8000. Question 8. Compare the following numbers. First, here two numbers are given and we have to compare. That means we have to say which number is greater and which is smaller. On right hand side, this value is 10 to the power 8. 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 8 times, and here on left hand side 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 12 times. So to cancel 10 raised to the power 8 from both sides, we will split this exponential notation. We will write it as 10 raised to the power 8. But here there are 12 tens which are repeatedly multiplied. So 4 tens are left. We will write here 10 raised to the power 4. Here 10 raised to the power 4 and here 10 raised to the power 8. Total powers are 12. Now from both sides we can cancel same number. Divide both sides by 10 to the power 8. It will cancel. Now find out the value of this. 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 4. That means 10,000. So write it. 2.7 into 10,000. Here there are 4 zeros. So this point will move 4 digits right. From here 4 digits. 2, 7, 0, 0, 0. From here the point will come here. Now we will compare these two numbers. 27,000 and 1.5. 27,000 is greater than 1.5. So this number is greater. Second, here we have to compare these two numbers. In this number, 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 14 times. And in this number, 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 17 times. To cancel 10 raised to the power 14 from both sides, we will split this exponential notation. We will write this as 10 to the power 14 into again 10 raised to the power 3. Here 10 is multiplied by itself 14 times and again 10 is repeatedly multiplied by itself 3 times. 14 plus 3, 17 times. Now from both sides we can cancel this 10 raised to the power 14. Divide both sides by 10 raised to the power 14. It will cancel. Now find out this value. 3 into 10 raised to the power 3. 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000 and 1000 threes are 3000. 3000 is greater than 4. So this number is greater.